Okay, here we are back wrestling with this rear suspension to re-index the rear torsion bars in this 944, and as you can see, we got the suspension down. Yes, it's a real bad idea to not disconnect the parking brake cable, because yes, I did have to detach the control arm, from the torsion bar tube there. So yeah, it's just kind of sitting here. It's going to be fun to put back together with the cable all taut and everything. So yeah, we'll fight about that later. Right now, what we're going to do is we've got these two bolts left in the well, what actually is the rear suspension mount and the cap for the rear torsion bar. So once we get those bolts out, we'll be able to pull the thing out, and theoretically, if we had done this correctly and we weren't going to change the spring plates, we could just index it the way we think it should go and put it back in. But I don't know. I don't think we're going to do that. Get to set up here and we'll get to work on it. Okay, so I think what we did there was rotate the inner splines counterclockwise 2 splines and the outer splines clockwise 2. And if you see, this is about as close as we could get to our mark. So that's my hand in here somewhere. This is our old scribe mark here. And as you can see, it's up and not level with that anymore. So that's basically how you do this. So if we were just playing with it this way, we would have to bolt everything all back together again and then set the car back down on its feet, bounce it around a bit, which we can't really do yet because there's no engine, trans, or front suspension on this thing. And then you check the ride height again. So we can't do that right now. And we're still waiting for our spring plates to come in, or adjustable spring plates. So we, at least I think that's where it should be. I don't know if I'm going to go over to the other side and do it or not, since I'm not 100% sure, but yeah. It's an interesting little endeavor, indexing these torsion bars. I mean, even with the adjustable spring plates, we still have to get it pretty darn close. So, I don't know, we'll see. Maybe maybe we got it right, maybe we don't. I don't know, we'll see.